How the Camel Got His Hump. A long, long time ago, the animals worked for man. They carried things, pulled carts, and helped in many ways. But the camel did not work. He lived in the desert and said, "Hump" to everything. One day, the horse came to the camel and said, "Friend, come and work with us. We carry things for man." The camel only said, "Hump," and went away. Then the dog came and said, "Camel, come and help us. We hunt and carry things." The camel said, "Hump," and walked away. Then the ox came and said, "Camel, come and pull the cart. We are all working." The camel said, "Hump," again. Now the Djinn, a magic spirit of all deserts, heard this. He was very angry. He called the horse, the dog, and the ox. He said, "Why is the camel not working?" They answered, "He only says hum and does nothing." The Djinn went to find the camel. The camel was sitting under a palm tree. He said, "Hum" again. The Djinn said, "You are lazy. You do not work." The camel said, "Hum," for the fourth time. Suddenly, the Djinn said, "You will have a hum on your back. It will grow because you are lazy and say hum all the time." The camel looked at his back. There was a big hump. The Djinn said, "Now you have a hump. It is full of food and water. You can live in the desert for 3 days without eating or drinking, but you will always work for man from now on." The camel looked at his hump and said, "Hump." But now he had to work, and that is how the camel got his hump. Moral: if you are lazy and say, "I will not work," you may get something you do not like.